Here's the number one way to make sure that your improv workshop is incredibly stressful. Don't tell the participants about the workshop. Recently, I did a workshop and I like to show up early, start mingling with everyone. And I was talking to people and I said, "Are you ready to do some improv?" And this woman looked at me with terror and disgust and said, "I'm not doing any improv." I go up to the organizer and I say, "Hey, I just talked to a participant and she said that she wasn't going to do any improv. Do they know why they're here?" And she said, "We didn't want to tell them that you were coming because we thought they might be a little anxious." And I thought, if they weren't anxious before, they were certainly anxious now. In our workshops, we talk about embracing new things, new ideas, new experiences, new people. For many people, that can be stressful. They need to be prepared for the experience they're going to have. Recognize that they might be stretched a little bit, but that it is all their choice how far they want to be stretched. When they are thrust into a room and someone says, "You're going to do improv," the first thing they think about is that they're going to be put on the spot in front of everyone, made to look foolish. But that is the furthest thing from what we do in our workshops. We don't put people on the spot. Everything is totally opt-in. If you'd like to have an incredible workshop, please tell your group before your workshop is set to begin. And also recognize anytime you tell them to do something that is a little bit outside of their comfort zone, setting expectations is incredibly important.